Okay, greetings geometry. I'm going to show you where the formula for the surface area of a cone comes from. Now, if you want to fast forward to the end and one video that you can skip just so you get the formula, but you don't really care where it comes from, you just care about substituting in because you believe everything a teacher says anyway. So if I just tell you that this is the formula, you just believe me and substitute 7, that's fine. But if you want to know where the formula comes from, let's watch the video until the end. It's only going to be like 3 minutes. Can you take 3 minutes? What else you got to do? Here's a cone. We want to find the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area is going to include the base. The base is a circle. The area of a base, or the area of a circle, is pi r squared. So that part's easy. Now, we need to know what the heck is that? The lateral piece that's wrapped around the circle. If you remember from the first video, that piece looks like this. If you were to take those two corners and put them together, it's going to form that circular base on the bottom. You don't trust me? Make one of those. Cut it out. Put it together. All right. Now, how do we find the area of this? I'm going to divide it up into a bunch of little sections like that. Now, eventually, I would cut it into an infinite amount of sections. And then I would take each piece, that one there, that one I'd flip upside down and put it like that. Then the next one, flip the other way. The next one, flip the other way. The next one, flip the other way. And just continue. And then what happens is, if I was going to continue in this manner and just keep cutting it into smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller sections, eventually these pieces, when you talk about limit and a limitless amount, are going to be straight because they're so tiny that they're almost straight. And what is this figure starting to look like? A rectangle. That looks like a rectangle. How do you find the area of a rectangle? You do length times width. Well, what is the length of the rectangle? It's this. Oh no, it's not all of those. It's half of all of those because the other half is up there. Well, what are all of those? Remember, if you take those two pieces and put them together, it gives you that circle. So all of those is the circumference of the circle, which is 2 pi r. Well, if the whole thing is 2 pi r, half of them are down there, half of them are up there. So this is just going to be pi r. A pi r up there, a pi r up there would give us the full 2 pi r. The length of our rectangle is pi r. What is this? That's this, which is this, which is the slant height. The width of our rectangle is the slant height. Base times height, length times width, whatever. In our rectangle related to the cone, it's pi r times L, which is pi r L. Area of the base, pi r squared. Area of the lateral piece that's wrapped around it, pi r L. The total surface area of a cone, pi r squared plus pi r L. Now, if I only wanted the lateral surface area, we would take away the base and just do that piece. We'll do an example shortly.